viewers, and welcome back to the Self-Made Auto Channel. Got us a Ford Fusion here. It's come in for front brakes, the state inspection, and a control arm. Actually, it came in for an inspection. This is what it needs. So we're gonna get rolling on it here. And technically, it does not need, quote, them for inspection. However, I recommended to the customer that they have them done. You can't fail for a loose ball joint in the People's Republic of New York, and you cannot fail unless your brakes are grinding metal against metal. But these ones were getting pretty dang close. What do they say? Pay me now or pay me later, right? We're gonna get this done. Don't have any other real good videos, so I thought I'd bring you along. Get our caliper pulled off here. The other side was much closer than this side. Although these are getting down there pretty good. Hang that up out of the way. I believe these are the original pads. Not as bad, but getting pretty close. Whoa! Buzz off our bracket. Well, fella. Alright, we're gonna have to get a hammer and get a little mean to it. There, let's get the case of the crusties on the inside. So the hub itself is actually, or the hub face here is actually pretty clean, rust-wise. Had some kind of grease on it from the factory. Give her a fresh coat, get our new rotor. There's that. Screw her back on. We'll come over to old Dave. Dave's our new vice. Pull our old hardware off there. We can. Come on, boy. We gotta use it. There we go. Well, she's got to be a little mean to him. There's that. Now these ones aren't too bad, so I'm just gonna hit them quick with a flat file here. I guess it's really not flat, it's more triangular. But each side of the triangle is flat though. Just enough to take the crust off. Do you know what kind of triangle that is, Hannah? It's equal on all sides. Is it a isosceles triangle?
Equilateral.
You sure?
Isosceles is two, are the same on the two sides, I think.
I don't know. I have to Google it. We'll use a Roger. I think that vibrates the camera when I do that. Send me something so we can read it, Hannah. You could do that, Hannah. It's got to be some kind of tool that we use.
What do you need?
Nothing really. So we're going to lube up our bracket. Same old, same old. Install our hardware.
This is not tires.
Oh gosh. I'm so sick of changing tires. Winter time in New York is tire time at the shops. And I'm just about sick of changing tires. Because we've had mountains of them here. We're just about halfway through our mountain. Until the delivery guy shows up again. With more tires.
Wasn't he supposed to show up whatever day it was?
I think he's coming Monday.
I thought he was supposed to come the other day.
That piece does not fit very well. Let me see your file, lady. I'll flatten out the ear on this a little bit so she'll grip. There we go. The pad holds this section of hardware up in anyways. There we go. Beautiful. And then we're going to use some adaptive ones from Napper. They have a specifically formulated inner and outer pad.
What's the difference?
I don't know if that's true. I think they probably just print inner and outer.
They don't make the bend.
Oops, come on.
That sounds like your brain surgeon to say.
Yeah, definitely not what you want to hear from the brain surgeon. Of course, if you're awake during your brain surgery, probably
You are a lot of times. I know people that have gotten like their tumors removed, and they want you awake, so they kind of know it.
if all of a sudden you quit responding, they know they hit the wrong thing. I don't know. I don't
But
trust
they
it.
were going like up the nose and stuff.
Oh.
They didn't have like an incision.
Didn't have your whole brain laying out on the table.
They just went up her nose and got it.
Fun. All right, let's go stick them on. So what'd you have for Thanksgiving, Hannah? Turkey, ham?
Turkey.
Both? Turkey? I'm a hammer.
You know what we didn't have though, and I was pretty bummed?
What?
Sweet potato souffle.
Oh, really?
Grandma always makes it. I was
Oh,
looking
me,
so
Ma.
much forward to
Make souffles, huh?
it. With it.
Like in a ramekin, like in a actual souffle, like in a little cup.
It's a big thing though.
Oh. Did I just use the word ramekin on our show?
It's
That's pretty.
got like brown sugar and walnuts and all the other good stuff.
Oh,
on top.
that's not a souffle.
That's what we call it. Sweet potato souffle.
That's not a souffle. Is a French dish made in a ramekin. It's very fluffy, with egg whites. They're the rising agent. In case you didn't know.
How do you know that?
How do I know that?
Why do you know that?
Well, because I like to cook, Hannah. That's what some people don't know about me. And actually, on tonight's menu at home, we will be having cheese souffle, one of my faves. Very savory dish.
What's the avenue? I've never had cheese souffle.
Never had a cheese souffle, so this is going to be made with Swiss Parmesan, drawing a blank, not cheddar,
Mozzarella?
Swiss Parmesan. I cannot remember the third cheese in the souffle. I don't remember. Then it has
And you just like,
egg whites, egg yolks, paprika, flour.
can I come over for dinner?
Yeah, because we're also having some steaks and scallops. I love me some scallops.
We're probably having leftovers.
Oh, you're gonna be sleeping the rest of the evening.
No, I think Mom was gonna eat the turkey for lunch with her Miracle Whip.
Do you eat your leftovers cold or do you warm them up?
It depends. The turkey, we like eating it cold and then dipping it in Miracle Whip.
Really?
Yeah, that's amazing.
I hate cold turkey. I'm not a big turkey fan.
The rest we heat up. The mashed potatoes, we make mashed potato patties.
Oh yeah, for breakfast or?
No, for dinner, and you put a bunch of butter in the pan, and you make like a hamburger.
Yeah.
But add cheese, put cheese in them. Makes it a whole lot better.
Hook up the top bolt, flip them up. We have to put on the anti-drag clips here. I usually do that, but I eat them for breakfast.
Dinner. Would you have turkey or ham?
Ham. Well,
Ham?
they cook the turkey and a ham. But I'm a hammer. I like my ham and horseradish.
Ooh.
That's my fave.
I think we're doing prime rib for dinner for Christmas.
Oh yeah? That's usually what we have too.
Mom mentioned it.
Well, now you gotta hold her to it.
I know. If I'm there for Christmas.
If you're not working? Or are you gonna
Not
run?
working.
Well, might go over to the BF's house, huh?
Nobody knows. Still trying to figure it out.
Uh-huh. Boys are nothing but trouble. So this is the control arm that's bad. It's the right front, lower, forward control arm. There's two of them on here. The joint in this one is gone wonky. So we got to get that out of there. These can be really stuck in these steering knuckles. Can be. We'll get some stuff busted loose here. Unhook it from the strut. How ironic. Using a cordless impact and the compressor kicks on. So I'm going to screw the nut back on here. It comes with a new one. I'm going to try to hit it in the middle with Big Nasty. See if we get it loose. I put the nut back on because sometimes hitting them in the middle, it kind of swells up the threads on it. I just wanted to get it moving first. It should come out now. It probably has the sleeve stuck to it, which we got to take off. There she is. I know it's good until it shuts off.
Stay out the whole time.
So freaking cold outside. I don't think I'm gonna be able to reach in there. Nope. Give me a 3-inch extension, 1/2-inch drive. Now we gotta take the bolt up here. There's a big plastic pan that goes under here. You gotta take that off first. And then I believe the nut is encapsulated, hopefully, inside the frame. It's going way too smooth, Hannah.
Don't say that.
Way too smooth. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. Sweet. So we've got to get this sleeve off, as you can tell. We got our new arm here. We got the napper. This one is tapered. This one is straight. It's because the little bushing sticks to it. So I'm going to use a little puller here out of our OTC kit. We'll stick that on there. Usually they come off. Hopefully it does. Oh, did you see that? Didn't even have time to jump. I use old Roger. We'll give that a polish. Now that is the tapered sleeve that's got to go back in the arm. We'll get our new arm slipped in. I already put the grease fitting on it. Just slip her on in. I believe. There we go. Oh, flick me right in the face. I don't know. No, we're gonna have to put the sleeve in the knuckle first. I wasn't sure. Got some never sneeze there, Anna.
I wouldn't touch it if I were you. Only one of us gets to play.
Well, let's see. We'll never.
But you got Steve. You got gloves on.
It doesn't matter. This stuff will get you.
But you can just take your gloves off right now and you'd be good. And then just put a new set on.
Mm-hmm. That's what you always
Because
think.
guess what?
Let's get some on you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Good luck with that. should get a bigger hammer. But it works. That's all I had at hand. Now we'll stick her in. There we go. Ooh, we're close. Whoa, easy fella. Ripping that joint. There. I'll get the inner bolt in. Get this one line back up. Oh, come on there, little guy. You gotta be close. Do not tighten that one up at this time. This one we can tighten up.
You infected the socket.
Oh, I know, it's everywhere. This stuff spreads. So what we need to do is we need to have that control arm at its ride height. So you can put everything back together and then set it on the ground and then tighten it up. That's kind of a pain in the neck. I'm gonna leave this strut unhooked. We're gonna push her up to its ride height position or very, very close to it. Lock it down right there. And then we'll tighten her up and then pull it down and then put the cross bolt through. So keep that bushing from getting all wadded up on you. It'll probably, I was gonna say, it's probably got enough weight on it that it'll come down pretty close anyhow. Which it did. There's that. And this one goes through rubber bushing, so technically we got to do that one the same way, so I kind of wasn't thinking there, folks. So I got the suspension compressed. I guess I could have done them both at the same time. And that's that, folks. Front pads, rotors, and the forward mounted lower front control arm on your Ford Fusion. Not a bad job. Something's in my memory though. I'm thinking on the other side, one of the sides I thought were a pain in the neck because of the transmission mount or something, but I might be thinking of a different vehicle. Anywho, this one's not too bad. So go down in the comment box, leave your questions, comments, criticisms, and concerns that you may have. And while you're down there, ring the bell, click subscribe, not particularly in that order though, but you know what I mean. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.